Ready to learn piano in a way that's fast, fun, and effective? In the next 90 seconds, we'll cover everything you need to know about Pianoforall, a unique course designed to take beginners to intermediate players in record time. Pianoforall was created to simplify learning piano by teaching you popular rhythm-style techniques right from the start. So you sound like a pro quickly. Instead of focusing only on theory, Pianoforall lets you dive into playing real songs and then introduces other styles like jazz, blues, and classical as you progress. This approach has helped thousands of students enjoy music while learning the fundamentals. With Pianoforall, you'll get access to written instructions, keyboard diagrams, and embedded video and audio tutorials for an immersive experience. The course is compatible with PC, Mac, Android, and iOS. And once downloaded, you can use it offline, perfect for learning anywhere, anytime. Dedicating as little as 20 minutes a day is enough to start seeing results. Many students notice progress within weeks and continue improving at their own pace, building confidence and skills steadily over time. One of the best parts? Pianoforall is a one-time purchase with no monthly subscription fees. You pay once and own it for life, making it a budget-friendly choice for piano enthusiasts. If you're ready to get started with a proven method that lets you play real songs quickly and enjoy every step, check out Pianoforall using the link below.